let's also get in Aditya Arora, the founder and multi-asset research analyst with Aditya. Aditya, how are you looking into this fall in the Nifty that we are seeing today?
Very good noon to you and to everyone. Look, this was an expected line. The way FIs have been selling continuously, we have seen the biggest sell figure in October. So that indeed had to create pressure. Whether you look at the cash markets or derivatives, they are selling left, right, and center. The reason could be that US elections are around the corner, and they are, planning to be little cautious or taking chips off the table before there could be huge volatility. And I also expect market could see swings of 3 to 5% in this week, because you have FOMC meeting also, and election outcome in US is also coming out. So I think one must be little cautious in the market and play only stock specific, play only level specific. If we talk about Nifty, then we have broken the crucial support of 24,000. If one had to take bullish bias, then they should only take about 24,500. Otherwise, this market could be sell on rally in that kind of a pattern. And if one had to talk about leadership, then banking is having more leadership compared to Nifty.
Okay.
All right. So that's the take coming in on the markets. Aditya, very good morning to you. And like you said that, good afternoon to you. And like you said that the markets, you should turn bullish only once Nifty conquers that 24,500 mark once again. On the downside, what sort of levels are you watching out for Nifty? I didn't catch that in case you've already said it.
Yeah, so I think, as I said, in this week, there could be volatility of 3 to 5%. So we can see spikes. But if we look at the medium term trend, then I think Nifty can touch levels like 23,500 to 23,000 in the medium term, not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. But if we take approach of 1 to 2 months, then I think Nifty is headed towards 23,500 and 23,000.
Anything on the sectoral side that one should keep an eye out for? Because the Nifty IT Index, though the market is down around 2 odd percent, the Nifty IT Index is just down 0.4%. Anything on that front?
Yeah, it's showing relative outperformance, but I couldn't comment much on this because, in this week, you'll see great movement in Nasdaq also because of election results. So we see trickle down effect in Indian markets also in IT sector. But one thing which is a little resilient and which doesn't get affected by all these macros or industrial side developments, that is pharma sector. So I think that's an evergreen sector. And if you look at the chart patterns also, then I see relative strength over there. This pocket one should closely watch out. I think outperformance is likely over here.
Okay. And Aditya, before we let you go, what are your top picks for the day?
Actually, today I don't have any pick. I would let the market settle down as we have two events in this week. Staying light is also a position.
All right, then. Thank you so much for that, Aditya. Making sure to stay put and not act on the markets in such a haste, given the fact that you are also expecting to see this volatility continue for the markets. Thank you so much for joining us on the show and giving us your take on the markets and the sector as well, which looks fairly resilient right now. Is the IT index and the pharma index is what Aditya is of the view right now. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.